If you know exactly where you are going to apply it, absolutely you can place it. But I usually doing all inside the nails because the clients always end up at more instead of less. And we'll go ahead and using a no wipe top coat. Alright, can I get the kits right here? It looks so beautiful already, so I'm not going to use a lot. Just that. Because it's so beautiful with the leaves. So with the crystal kits, with the glow in the dark crystal kits, it's come with like a total of 9,000 pieces. So when you are doing it, not only you have a 14th shape, a really cute, beautiful, a trendy shape, you also get your SS3, your SS4, SS6, SS8, SS10, SS12, and SS16. That is the sizes for all that little size that I'm using it right now. And I have a lot of tutorials for this the design looks using this crystal kit. So you can use so many versatile, like it's so many different designs that you can able to do with this kit. Hey, how everybody doing? How's your Thursday going? Good, so far so good. So I'm gonna add some beads in the meantime, and I'm continue to adding a designs on. I am go ahead and add like the metal beads, and the best to add it on is to add it right next to each crystals.
And any product here that you see and that you're using, all of them are available on glitzsuccession.com. And if you're local in Pensacola, you can swing by and stop our store. We have them in store also.
Yes, you can shop with us 24/7 if you always want to see a lot of products in person. And a lot of when you come in to see us, you not only is just browsing and then shopping around the products, we have you a hands-on testing and training the products, like even you walk out the door, so you can able to get we have to like have a PlayStation, so you can able to place with the products, so you know the products you are going to take home, that you can able to definitely is be successful with that, along with like thousands of the videos that we have. All right, so I really happy with this because I can dress a lot on this. I'm gonna cutting this frame in half because I like to add it on the other one. Did you see it? Where's the other half? Usually I cut it with both hands, but this time I'm holding one. You find it? Oh, maybe right here. No. Oh, no, right there. No.
Oh, that is. It is. You got
Longer.
it. You got it.
Okay. Okay, I cut it shorter now. All right. Here we go. It's really cool about this frame is it has a texture, and also a frame mix. It's had the smooth one and a texture one. So however you can using it in, or you curve it in, or you can curve out. Just I love about it. It sound like sound like my voice is sleepy. Oh, it's just that. But I'm not sleepy at all. Just so excited because we don't want to cover this completely, but also you want to add more crystal on this one. All right, so add a couple more. I usually end up my crystals placement with 1 or 2 beads, 3 beads. It's really weird. It doesn't have an extra one. Let's go make one more. So I don't know where that little beads come from, but we're gonna leave her there. I'm gonna using a dot tool and then just slide it really quick on both sides to remove any of the excess condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat before I'm placing under the LED light. Can you wipe this one please? Because my hands. Sprinkle. Merjaya, thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Thursday. All right, I'm gonna adjusting. The best thing about condensed glue gel no wipe top coat is not only give you ability of doing so many different designs without let it set and dry. Also, of course, you can adjusting it. All right, looks good. So far so good. We are going to clear.